Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to make a review about the simple present and simple future tense. The simple present tense is one of several forms of present tense in English. It is used to describe habits, unchanged situations, general truths, and fixed arrangements. The simple present tense is simple to form. Just use the subject, the base form of the verb, and the rest of the sentence. Take in count that I take, you take, we take, they take. But the third person singular takes an S at the end. He takes, she takes, and it takes. The simple present is used to express habits, general truths, repeated actions, or unchanged situations, emotions, and wishes. For example, I smoke. This sentence expresses a habit. I work in London. This one states an unchanged situation. And London is a large city refers to a general truth. To give instructions or directions. You walk for 200 meters, then you turn left. To express fixed arrangements, present or future. Your exam starts at 9. To express future time, after some conjunctions as, after, when, before, as soon as, until. For example, he'll give it to you when you come next Saturday. Look at the following examples and try to comprehend more how the simple present tense can be used for the various uses. For repeated actions or events. For example, we catch the bus every morning. It rains every afternoon in the hot season. They drive to Monaco every summer. For general truths. For example, water freezes at 0 degrees. The earth revolves around the sun. Her mother is Peruvian. For instructions or directions. For example, open the packet and pour the contents into hot water. You take the number 6 bus to Whitney and then the number 10 to Bedford. For fixed arrangements. For example, his mother arrives tomorrow. Our holiday starts on the 26th of March. With future constructions. For example, she'll see you before she leaves. We'll give it to her when she arrives. For express habits. For example, he drinks tea at breakfast. She only eats fish. They watch television regularly. Let's look at the structure and formula of the simple present tense. Take in count that in affirmative, I think, you think, we think, they think. But he thinks, she thinks, it thinks. While in negative, use do not, does not, or the contractions don't and doesn't. I do not think, you do not think, he does not think, she does not think, it does not think, we do not think, they do not think, or I don't think, you don't think, he doesn't think, she doesn't think, it doesn't think, we don't think, they don't think. While in the interrogative, the auxiliary verb do or does goes at the beginning. Do I think? Do you think? Does he think? Does she think? Does it think? Do we think? Do they think? While the present simple is typically used to refer to habits, states, and facts, the simple future is used to describe an action that is currently taking place in the future, as we'll see in the following explanation. The simple future tense is used to represent an action that takes place in the future. One fact that you should keep in mind is that a simple future tense action starts and finishes in the future itself. The simple future refers to a time later than now and expresses facts or certainty. In this case, this is no attitude. The simple future tense is composed of these parts: subject plus will plus the base form plus the rest of the sentence. For example, I will study, you will study, he will study, she will study, it will study, we will study, they will study. Look at the following examples and try to comprehend how the simple future tense can be used for the various uses as stated in the table. To predict a future event. It will rain tomorrow. With I or we to express a spontaneous decision. I'll pay for the ticket by credit card. To express willingness. I'll do the washing up. He'll carry your bag for you. In the negative form, to express unwillingness. The baby won't eat his soup. I won't leave until I've seen the manager. With I in the interrogative form using shall. To make an offer. Shall I open the window? With we in the interrogative form using shall. To make a suggestion. Shall we go to the cinema tonight? With I in the interrogative form using shall. To ask for advice or instructions. What shall I tell the boss about this money? With you to give orders. You will do exactly as I say. With you in the interrogative form to give an invitation. Will you come to the dance with me? Will you marry me? But in modern English, will is preferred to shall. Shall is mainly used with I and we to make an offer or suggestion, or to ask for advice. See the examples in the table. With the other persons, you, he, she, they, shall is only used in literary or poetic situation. For example, with rings on her fingers and bells on her toes, she shall have music wherever she goes. Let's look at the structure and formula of the simple future tense. First, take a look at the formula to find out how the simple future tense works. Remember, the simple future tense is composed of these parts: subject plus will or shall plus the infinitive without to plus the rest of the sentence. In affirmative, I will go or I shall go. You will go, he will go, she will go, it will go. We will go or we shall go. They will go. In negative, I will not go, you will not go, he will not go, she will not go, it will not go, we will not go, they will not go. Or use the contraction won't. I won't go, you won't go, he won't go, she won't go, it won't go, we won't go, they won't go. In interrogative, put the auxiliary verb at the beginning. Will I go? Shall I go? Will you go? Will he go? Will she go? Will it go? Will we go? Or shall we go? Will they go? Shall is dated, but it is still commonly used instead of will with the affirmative or interrogative forms of I and we in certain cases. If you pay attention to this grammar explanation for the future simple, it's definitely one of the easiest tenses to learn. You form it with the formula will, shall plus infinitive form of the main verb. After that, you can express any intentions you wish with his handy verb tense. Thank you for your attention to this presentation. Now we are going to solve our Kahoot, please. Please be patient. Don't forget to write your full name and your group on the chat box, please. Okay, the PIN for our game is 1944146, or scan the QR code, please. Thank you, Fatima. Thanks, Ethan, Sebas, Darian, Getsemani, welcome please. Turi, thank you so much, all of you. Okay, let's start with our game. Okay, on this Kahoot, Carla is on the first place, Sebas is on the second place, and Marco is on the third place. Congrats, all of you. I don't know if you have any question or doubt. No questions, no doubts. Okay, thank you so much for your time and your attendance to this class. See you next Saturday. Bye-bye.